Prakash Ragbir, manager for ICT at NAMDEVCO. NAMDEVCO is basically a state agency responsible for the marketing of agricultural produce. And with respect to this seminar in terms of open data, it is very interesting in that the entire sector, not only agriculture, but the range from policy to planning, all need access to open data. So therefore, if there's an open data platform where all the different agencies can bring their data into one location, then it makes the process of decision making a lot easier. What it also does, it allows for decisions to be made at a very fast pace when it is needed. So given the fact that open data is something that is catching on around the world, we in the Caribbean here can use it to our advantage in terms of developing trade within the Caribbean region. When you look at developed countries, you will recognize that their data is available and is available for all to see. And the simple reason for that availability is to provide power to not only the public, but to also all the institution that requires that entire data set to make those decisions and policy decisions that affects our lives in general at the end of the day. So a seminar like this I would think is extremely important. And if we take a cue from what is happening in the developing regions and bring quality data to the table, it makes the process and access and decision something that has great benefit to all that is involved in the sector. The seminar thus far has really been very interesting, given the wide variety of information that is available from the different sources. I think Dr. Marlin, you did an excellent job in bringing through what open data is all about and how the country as a whole can use open data to change lives and to change policies and to change the perception, even from the government perspective. We also see that the conference highlights government's intention in terms of making data available to everyone. We see from the various presentations that there are a lot of strategies afoot from the different agencies like iGovTT, local government, the Stats Office, to bring open data closer to the users outside. So it's something that is very timely. In addition, what is probably more informative for me and very heartening is the aspect of the code sprint. The code sprint really demonstrates Dr. Marlin's understanding in terms of using the technology to solve everyday simple problems. And I think it's an opportunity also for the students to be able to use real life scenarios and to help solve problems that requires attention and use of ICT. So it is a marriage of two technology that I think is excellent for the development, and it also provides a welcome opportunity and also experience for the young entrepreneurs who are growing in the ICT environment to look at things from a problems perspective and to help provide solutions that will allow for real problems to be materialized into a world where we can see different types of innovations taking place.